Cutting holes in hard surface model in Maya, especially on curved surface, this can be tricky, but don't worry, I got it covered with simple workflow to master this skill. First, create a plane, select the faces, shift right-click, circular component, then extrude, scale, then delete these faces. Now press T and V key to snap the pivot. Go to Edit. Now translate X value 1 and number of copies 16, then hit Apply. Select all pattern. Press DV to snap. Now Ctrl D and V to snap in place. Select half faces of one pattern. Shift right-click, extract faces. Move and snap in position. Select all pattern, then combine and merge vertices. Now press D and V again to snap the point. Go to Edit. Duplicate special option. Now translate Z value to the number of copies 7. Hit Apply. Go to Deform. Bend tool. Increase the curvature value. Rotate Z value 90. And that's it. Clean cut in curved surface. Follow for more miles.